should be started by the upper abdomen and move to the great vessels. And by using color Doppler, we have seen also that three major planes may be of help to get the most important information. Now, the checklist we are generally using when we scan the fetal heart, and these are the so-called cut-off, is the size and the position and the axis of the heart. On one hand, what we heard in the guidelines today, the small and the other one is large, or the other one is of normal size and the one is small. And the question is, what is the differential diagnosis behind it? And this is what I tried to give you some hints and aspect of it. Now, cardiomegaly is actually very easy when you see a condition. Another condition could be dilative cardiomyopathy. Rhabdomyoma or heart tumor, you have seen an example shown by Silka Yagel, but actually some of the findings could be very huge, and these are hard, and they stop by looking at the heart and forget to check by the first approach the position of the stomach, the heart, and the descending. These two planes, which are very near to one each other, the first thing you should do, and this is the example I'm going to show you afterwards in the quiz, maybe you can think about during lunchtime. Now, what I want to say when the heart is on the right chest, there are two possibilities. Either